Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for electric vehicle news and industry insights. I'm here with Dr. CEO of Bentley Motors. Let's dive into their vision for the future of luxury vehicles. So, we're here talking to Dr. about his thoughts on autonomous driving. Where does he see Bentley fitting in? According to Dr., I push it a lot because we cannot sit back. We do not have to be the first, but if you find autonomous driving more common in the future, even in cheaper vehicles, Bentley will have to offer this technology. He highlights that their unique approach and design philosophy can set them apart from competitors. But how does Doctor's vision for autonomy intersect with Bentley's traditional strengths? We will continue to distinguish ourselves primarily through craftsmanship, individualization, and design, he explains. There is no reason to give it up because of the platform or motorization. He emphasizes that their focus on creating unique driving experiences remains a key differentiator. As we explore the world of luxury vehicles, software-defined vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. Doctor's company has also adopted this technology and is utilizing VW Group's platforms to stay ahead of the curve. Everything is there, between a Bentley that is bought once and driven for a lifetime, or customers who buy a new car every 12 months, he notes. However, the topic of over-the-air updates is just as important to us as it is to other manufacturers. But what about over-the-air updates? How will they shape the future of luxury vehicles? Doctor's thoughts on this are quite fascinating. He sees an opportunity to create new functionalities that were previously impossible to develop. For example, one can imagine even more in this direction. Many people sit in the car for 3 or 4 hours, longer than at the doctor's office. This highlights Bentley's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. So, what does Doctor's vision for Bentley look like? How will they continue to thrive in an industry that's rapidly changing? His answer is clear. We will always say, this is the latest Bentley that also drives electrically. By staying true to their core values of craftsmanship, individualization, and design, Bentley Motors is poised to remain at the forefront of luxury vehicle innovation. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of luxury vehicles. That's all from today's episode of Electro Drive News.